What if I told you there's a formula? A mathematical code that, if you follow it, could let you escape the 9 to 5 grind, not at 65, but in your 30s, 40s, or 50s. Think about it. How many years of your life are you willing to trade for a paycheck? The average person will work for over 40 years. But what if you could cut that in half? This isn't a lottery ticket. It's not for trust fund babies. It's a movement called FIRE, Financial Independence, Retire Early. And today, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint. Stick around, because the first step is probably not what you think. This is where most people start. They focus on the left side. I need to make more money. And that's important. But the real secret, the engine of fire, is on the right side. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. The entire FIRE movement is built on one powerful idea: your savings rate. This is the percentage of your income you save and invest. Let me ask you a question. What do you think the average American saves? 10%? 5%? It's less than 5%. Now, here's the shocking part. To achieve FIRE, you need to flip the number on its head. We're talking about saving 50%, 60%, even 70% of your income. I know what you're thinking. That's impossible. But is it? Or have we just been conditioned to spend everything we earn? This brings us to the most crucial step: the unbreakable foundation. Before you invest a single dollar, you have to do two things. First, you need a ruthless budget. Not a restrictive one, but a conscious plan for your money. Where is every dollar going? You'd be surprised how much money leaks out on subscriptions, eating out, and impulse buys. Second, you must destroy your high-interest debt. Credit card debt is an emergency. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain wide open. Every dollar of interest you pay is a dollar that can't be used for your freedom. So, the foundation is simple: track your money, spend consciously, and eliminate debt. This is the boring, unsexy part that most people skip. But without it, the whole plan falls apart. Step 2. The Wealth Accelerator. Okay, so you're saving a huge chunk of your money. Now what? Do you put it under your mattress? Do you try to become a stock-picking genius? No. The key to FIRE is something much simpler and much more powerful: compound interest. This is the magic. Your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. Over time, it creates a snowball effect. But for this to work, you need two things: time and consistent investing. So where do you invest? The FIRE community's favorite tool: low-cost index funds. Why? Because it's diversified, it's low cost, and historically, it has always gone up over the long term. You're not betting on a single company. You're betting on the entire economy. Your job is just to keep adding fuel to the fire, month after month. Step 3. The final calculation and conclusion. So how do you know when you've made it? When are you officially financially independent? This is where the famous 4% rule comes in. The rule states that if you only withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio per year, it should last you for the rest of your life. Let's say you need $40,000 a year to live comfortably. Your target year, FIRE number, is $40,000 multiplied by 25, which is $1 million. Once your investments reach that $1 million mark, you can theoretically stop working. The growth of your investments should cover your withdrawals. This number is different for everyone. The less you need to live on, the faster you get there. That's why a high savings rate is so powerful. The path to FIRE isn't easy. It requires discipline, sacrifice, and a rejection of the spend it all culture. But it is a calculated, proven path to gaining the most valuable thing in the world: your time. So what's your fire number? Calculate it in the comments below. And if you want me to dive deeper into any of these steps, like specific budgets or the best investment accounts, let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful and you want to take back control of your time, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.